cuffs have when the judges aren't necessarily selected by merit, by using kids?
I think it's more a wide range of folks, people, and not just somebody who's chosen, but then it's fucking anybody can do it, you know? Fuck, what the hell? I want there to be like some really famous people that said that's the fire shit. Like some people that smoked everything.
Those are the pay-to-play cups, man. That's where they can like place judges too.
Yeah, that sounds like the FDA.
Yeah, who's not to say that they, not to pay a bunch of employees or whatever to go out and buy judges' kits and swing it your way, you know what I mean? It seemed like it more easily to dilute, as you're saying, or sway that way than it would be for a blind judgment necessarily.
Yeah. It feels like your vote doesn't count to me now. Like, if you're paying for it, it doesn't count to me. Like, what the fuck?
Well, the other aspect to some of that too is like, if you were, would the NBA like let people buy a ticket to be a fucking guest referee for that fucking playoff game? You know what I'm saying? Like, are we gonna have fucking volunteer referees at the next Super Bowl? Like, when the next crucial play needs to be called, or we're gonna put it in the hands of the guy that had $200 to spend?
Are we gonna have me and you because we have the money to buy, our vote? Like, how does that work?
Then you got to establish some criteria for credentials for who can be. I mean, like, how do you prove? Like, Eagle's been at it for a long time. He's been a judge before, so does that count as credentials, or like what? Right. Like, what credentials do I have? I've been a grower for so long, but what could I say other than like fucking I like weed?
I smoke it. It's good.
I smoke it a lot.
It's good. I smoke it.
Weed. It smoke good.
I'm leaning with Crack Babies and Chad there that it's more or less a gimmick. I can see that to be more of a ploy to make people feel more involved in their cause. But
it sounds like an MLS program
having any merit. Like
pyramid scheme.
What's the weight that I'm getting to smoke for the package I'm buying?
And how does it get delivered to you, or is it like you have to go
to the going to give me the smoke for the package I'm buying?
Hey, if they give you a tractor trailer load, it don't get you high. You just smoke it.
Well, that's true. That's
Does
true.
it come with a Hunter crack pipe?
Hey, but we all bought weed from somebody we didn't know we were getting, and it was really good the last time.
I believe it does say.
Shit, right?
Right. Nickel frit.
I'm entering that contract.
So this is what it says you're buying. 6 different kits, 24 products, 1 assorted Delta 8 kit, 36 products in the Delta 8 kit, 1 pet product kit with 7 products.
67.
What's a pet product kit?
They're just selling you.
That's like CBD biscuits and shit like that.
Yeah, or oil. Some oil.
Okay. Some sort of pet then. I got you.
They're just selling their lineup.
Not for a fucking goldfish, Johnny.
Hey,
shit, man. I was just wondering. My goldfish might like it.
Hey, Eagle.
The people that entered that contest.
The people that entered the contest had to pay an entry fee, and then they're selling the kits also. So someone's making fucking money hand over fist.
Somebody else is
That's what I was thinking.
They're making money on other people's weed that's not even tested yet. That's even
better.
And they're charging them for the booth, Miranda.
The entry fees are like hundreds of dollars.
And then they charge people to get in, too.
Hey, how do we make our own one of these things?
We need to make an event.
That's what I'm saying. Come on, let's do
That
this.
sounds eventful, man.
All hands in,
You can buy your kit right now, 22 to 24 items at the low price, suggested price, $450. But you can get yours today for $150.
Wow.
Great deal.
Wait.
But you're disqualified. way you can feel the effects with all the THC stuff there.
Vitamin THC.
I'm gonna test CBD and all this hemp stuff. I gotta stop smoking stuff I smoke.
Where are the products coming from, people? Where are the products coming from? Is it all over the United States, or is it just Michigan? Where's the products coming from?
Just their garden, Thunder Dan. It's just their garden. You're just judging their nine strains, and you're gonna get samples of their oil, and you get to judge it. No, they want feedback on which one they like the best, and then
They open 3 stores.
That's
Do
the
they have like
product they launch.
What if you don't even have a pet? How are you gonna judge that? Is there like a spot to say like I don't even have a fucking dog or something? What do you
Rub
just
it on your old lady.
this tail wag is he?
Just rub it on your old lady.
Yeah,
Hey, I got you a
I
biscuit,
took a
honey.
bite out of the biscuit and made my tail feel like moving.
Cheers, weed nerds. Nice to see you guys.
Cheers. It's okay, baby.
Cheers, brother.
Funny shit.
Glad to see y'all here.
Yeah.
Good to see
Stayed
you.
up there just in case. Just in case.
That's what's up.
So you got the jerry can full?
What do you got the live view on your? Is that right on your garden or just a recording?
No, that's right now.
Ah,
Well, so I got it. Well, she's going out there in about 30 minutes. The one that's in the corner. That's my advantage. 24 on that one. She's almost done. There, the Hindu's gonna go down probably tomorrow.
Hindu good?
Yeah, and Hindu root beer.
Hindu root beer, alright.
Yeah, Kyle, pure breedings Kush. There's for us.
Is this
It's
gonna
hazy Kush and GMO root beer. I can't remember from them. It's, I tried it already there. I cut a little nug off and I trolled it for 6 days. And then I smoked it yesterday. Then it was very tasty. It's got some... Yeah, well, it's my soil girl. I was teasing Dan the other day. But yeah, man, it's just a little nug just to taste it. Yeah, man, taste
flavor?
It's got that licorice kind of flavor there. Dan kind of helped me pinpoint it.
East kind of thing or whatever?
Yeah, sassafras or whatever it was. I tried the Jägermeister. I don't know if you guys ever tried that one. That strain, Jägermeister. It tastes a bit like that. It's kind of cushy, kind of sweet, licoricey taste to it.
That's definitely a licorice.
Yeah,
Brown.
so
Yeah.
it's similar to that, and mentholy in its licorice taste. You know what I mean?
Like
It's like a Halls does there. You know what I mean? In that sense.
Kind of that
Yeah.
molasses licorice.
Yeah, man, it's very interesting.
You feel like it opens your lungs up?
Almost, It's I don't know. It's hard to explain, but yeah, it came through. The flavor came through like Halls, like a Halls mentholyptus there. Then I got the WG Mac there. That's right behind it there. That's gonna be interesting. Fiji Browns with watermelon. And Master Kush. Well, that's good old Master Kush.
Who did that one?
So the watermelon gelato cross is OC Grower 76 or Cocoa for cannabis.
Oh, okay. This is some brand or whatever.
Yeah. 76 seeds.
Oh, okay.
So a bunch of Wisconsin there, Cocoa for cannabis. We'll try it out. Mac V2 on that cross.